Another note here is that when you build the artifact, you need to push it to the artifact repository. And these tools like Maven, Gradle, NPM, Yarn, and so on, they have commands that let you publish or push your artifact to the artifact repository. So this is how they end up in the Nexus or JFrog or some other artifact repository. And when you need the artifact fetched on your server, you can simply do a curl or wget or some download command on the operating system that you are running your application on, and you can fetch it directly from the repository. Now, very important to note here regarding publishing the artifacts to artifact repository and then fetching it on the server is that we won't publish like that and fetch the artifact like that on the server because of Docker. Why? Now, there are two very important things you need to understand in relation to this package manager and build tools that we use for different programming languages. The first one is related to Docker, and the second one is related to CI/CD pipeline or build automation generally.